Which monster sounds are we going to map to A? Well, the letter A could be a sound picture for the speech sound A, like in the word apple, apple. We read about the apple in The Little Brown Mouse and the Apples, Blue Book 15. An apple went bump, bump, bump down the stairs. It woke Rip up. Go and find the book and read it again. Remember what happened. So which other sounds, which monster sounds can we map to the letter A? Was, apple, apple, ought a water, father, father, ape a paper, any, very, another, orange, orange. 9 monster sounds mapping with the letter A.